Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to connect your Coinbase wallet to Social Good in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to make a positive impact with your investments, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Social Good is an innovative platform that lets you support social causes through blockchain, and linking it with Coinbase Wallet makes managing your funds seamless and secure. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your App Store, download it, and create or log into your account. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Next, open the Social Good app or website. You'll need to sign up if you're new, use your email or a social login for quick access. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings or Wallet section, where you'll find an option to Connect Wallet. Select Coinbase from the list of available wallets. Now, here's where the magic happens. The app will prompt you to scan a QR code or enter your wallet address. Open your Coinbase wallet, go to the settings, and look for the Connect to dApp or QR code scanner feature. Scan the code from Social Good and authorize the connection. You'll be asked to confirm permissions. Double-check that you're only granting what's necessary for security. After connecting, verify everything by making a small test transaction or checking your balance in the Social Good interface. If it shows up correctly, you're good to go. Remember, always use a secure network and enable two-factor authentication on both apps to protect your assets. That's it for this full guide. By now, you should have your Coinbase wallet seamlessly linked to Social Good, ready to support meaningful causes. If you run into any issues, check the official help sections or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.